You like Callum? Yeah. Callum has just found, wait there a minute, let me just show the guys. Only Callum will know this because he's like David Attenborough, but a younger version.
Oh,
better
shit.
looking.
Owl scat.
Owl shit. Only Callum, this cunt here, would go up a mountain and spot owl shit on the floor. I've never ever come across anyone that's identified owl shit. Oh my god, that has fucking made me day.
So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. Hold these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new.
A little shelter.
This is the only man-made
Shelter.
Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. Never cared for what they do, never cared for what they know, but I know. So close, no matter how far.
Me and Callum have got to this point in the hike now where we're like, food, 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 pint, beer, fight, pint, food, food, food. Every step, food, 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 food. We finally made it. We've had to settle for the Weatherspoons, haven't we, Callum?
Yeah.